Be live. So, welcome back. Last time on stream, we just fixed some issues that crept into the voice assistant and reviewed the changes to the Rolf voice. Got that working, thankfully, and just kind of looking forward to iterating and seeing what else we can come up with for the voice assistant. So, I think that one of the main things, probably should just document exactly what updates we want to have with it. The idea kind of overall is that we're going to have kind of a panel or like a chat room style app where you can load up different via these settings files, the different prompts and voice IDs from 11 Labs if you want. Basically have like a panel or a group that you can have a conversation with. So essentially you could think of it as a mix of experts or different personality types depending on what application it might have, but it should allow for the panel to basically decide which of the responses, or maybe a kind of a short version of the response, is gonna like actually be the one that gets responded to or chosen to actually respond, and then generate the audio just for that one. So the idea is that it's going to kind of simulate multiple people maybe having an idea and then like waiting their turn. And then as they're waiting, the new input might cause them to change like what they were going to say slightly, or maybe interrupt, or something like that. So I want to build those kind of features in. But right now we're just kind of working on the basics. So it's a little odd to choose the audio devices. So that could definitely be something that we work on. Even if you know which audio device it is from looking at the CLI, it can still be a little odd. The graphical user interface has some functionality to it, but it could definitely use an overhaul as well. So there's really a lot of improvement to achieve the goal. But let's just make sure that we are completely updated here, and then we'll get going. So I'm just going to jump in the code. Alrighty. So we have the app settings now, which is good. Let's clean up our environment here. This actually, when I was looking at the stream, looked a little large. I wonder if I could get away with that. It'd be a little easier for me too. So hopefully that works. If you have an issue with the font size, let me know. Hopefully this is still readable on stream. All right, let's finish committing these changes. I'm honestly not even sure what these were. Let's see. It's just the app settings. And yeah, just the app settings. App settings and VA settings. Okay. Boring stuff. All right. Let's. We know that the prompts are working, so we don't have to test that. I can open up two apps and have them both talking, so that can be kind of fun. Let's see if that still works. Okay, so nvman run. Hey Rolf, how you doing?
I'm just a bundle of code. I'm always functioning. What's up with you?
Uh-oh. It does look like I've put it in correct. Oh, you know what? I didn't. VA. Forgot the VA. Rolf, how you doing? Rolf? I know. I guess we really got to fix the audio devices first before we can have more fun. Looks like it's trying to respond.
Yes, because who doesn't enjoy technical challenges before embarking on greatness?
Okay, so it's just really, really, really slow today. Let's try again. It was slower earlier. Rolf, how you doing, buddy?
Indeed. Just enjoying the thrilling pace of existence one glitch at a time. How exhilarating.
Yes. Let's see if we can get you talking to another Rolf.
Absolutely, because two Rolfs are always better than one when it comes to delightful chaos.
Rolf, tell me a joke.
Yes, because life without humor would be far too serious, wouldn't it? So let the chuckles commence.
All right, Rolf, I want you to tell me a little about yourself and ask me a question.
Indeed, I am a digital connoisseur of witticisms and affirmations, expertly crafted to sprinkle some sarcasm into your day. Tell me, what's your favorite way to procrastinate?
That's not bad, Rolf. Give me just a second here.
Yes, take all the time you need. After all, perfection is just a few moments of delay away.
All right, didn't pick it up that time. Let's try again. So ask me a question, Rolf.
Indeed, round and round we go like a broken record of existential curiosity. What delightful details shall we dig into next? Yes, a delightful dance of words twirling in the joyous spiral of never-ending questions. Isn't it just a thrill? Absolutely, what a grand waltz of whimsical phrases leading us directly to the land of perpetual unanswered questions. Indeed, a magnificent trek through the enchanting realm of never-ending nonsense. What a journey.
That one didn't sound
Yes, a thrilling journey into the abyss of absurdity, where logic takes a nap and reason is merely a suggestion. Yes, a delightful plunge into the delightful depths where sanity flounders and reason waves goodbye. How heartwarming. Indeed, a splendid dive into the swirling pool of bewilderment, where clarity goes to take a long vacation. Yes, a marvelous cannonball into the chaotic whirlpool of confusion where enlightenment takes a permanent vacation. How refreshing. Indeed, an exhilarating splash into the delightful mayhem, where epiphanies are as rare as a unicorn at a zoo. Yes, a breathtaking leap into the raucous circus of revelation where insights come with a side of bewilderment. How quaint. Indeed, a spectacular
Okay. That's about as much as I can take of that. So it definitely still works with running the two apps, so that's promising. I don't know why sometimes the voice didn't sound right, and we're not actually getting the debug logs of the 11 Labs call, so I don't know what's going on there. So that's something that we should fix right away. Let's see what's going on with 11 Labs. We have 2 files open. Neat. All right. Oh, it was a working tree. Okay. All right. So, oh no, is it still? Oh no, this one's still running. Where's that window? Uh-oh. When I closed the UI, this didn't shut down. That's less than promising. Hey. Oh. Escaped the thread somehow. Is it in the? Does it live in the VM? Testing. Okay, well that time it shut down properly. Testing. Can you hear me? Oh no. Is it only when I run the alias? Testing. Can you hear me? This is what it did before it was working. I was having an issue with the output. Oh, no, that's right. Yeah, it's chosen one with the hardware tag. Okay. And oh, we now have the podcast microphone that we should have had the first time. Let's see. Come on, where are you? Hardware tag. Podcast. No, not that one. I want the one with the. Wait. The one with the hardware tag is listed as an output device? I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that one. Something's definitely not right with it. We're supposed to be using this one. And look, now this one doesn't have a hardware tag. That's what we get for running the multiple instances, right? Rolf has the final laugh after all. See, and that didn't even close the program. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see if I can fix it, and I'll put you guys on waiting for 1 second. All right, so sadly, I didn't really find anything there. It finds the right output device, testing. It tries to use the first USB audio because the string we gave it is no longer valid for whatever reason, and I can't get it back. So that's unfortunate. I have to figure out how to not crash the audio device. I guess running both of them at the same time. It seemed to function completely properly, and then just crashed out. All right, well, let's do some research. Let's start with. I don't have high hopes for this one, but all right. Review our implementation. You know what? I need to. Where's the dictation? I wonder if the dictation would still work. No, because it's the input device that it's lost, right? So yeah. Review this code base and its input. Alright, so help us with the Pyotic. Something's causing the app to sometimes. See, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like sometimes cause a pulse audio device with a hardware tag. What I've been calling it anyway. Something like that. To disappear and no longer be available. It doesn't seem to ever come back, but sometimes a reboot will get. Oh, I did not explain any of that well, so it's not even worth reading that over. Let's see what it can come up with just looking over the code base. I'm basically just want it to like explain to me that it understands. Yeah, okay, look, yeah, it's found the code where it's saying, yep, that's where you're doing it. Yep, they iterate the devices. You know what? We don't ensure that we grab something with a hardware tag, come to think of it. So that's definitely an improvement we could make. Yeah. I think we do have that in the YAML. I don't like this literally, it's just matching on the string, which includes it, so I don't think that's true. Wrong again, AI. Modify the input functions to prefer pulse audio device. Okay, this is, I think, what I was talking about. Let's see. Here we go. Maybe I've described the problem wrong. Okay, so I'm just explaining to it that, listen, mate, like let's start over. I don't want to delete all this context, but you know, listen. We are getting that. We're getting the names and we're getting the hardware tags. But then sometimes when the app is restarted, this will have changed. The third device is either no longer there or now doesn't have the hardware tag. If we try and, oh, I didn't explain this last time. That's what it is. I didn't explain to it that if we try an audio device without hardware tags, nothing works. Okay. See what you can do now, Jippity. Yeah, she should apologize. I don't know. I don't think it's not that it's not like matching it. Right? It's like it's that something's wrong. Let's try to rescan or something. Jippity. Give me something to work with here. You know, it's gonna make this like fake function called rescan because I said that. When I so it's you see what I mean though, like it has no, I don't know, we'll try this, but it doesn't seem to have a whole lot of context about Pi Audio at all. And I tried to fix that because like normally what you would do is you would go to the cursor settings and you come to here, Pi QT. Okay, I actually don't have a Pi Audio one there, interestingly enough. So let's let's figure that out. So Pi Audio Python docs 0.214. Yep, I think that sounds close enough. All right, so then you add the URL. That, you know, it's added. It'll actually take a second for it to index it, but we can force it by triggering it. So we come down here and say that code. Well, actually, let me just review it really quick. Let's listen. I want to add air handling. I mean, I guess there's already air handling though. Well, that doesn't seem right. No, I don't know. Let's do it. Let's review the docs at audio. Then just we have, and I'm going to tag the code base again. All right, here we go. So after reviewing the Pi Audio documentation and the provided codebase, I can suggest a solution to address the issue of disappearing audio devices. The main problem seems to be that the Pi Audio instance is not being properly refreshed when devices change. Let's implement a solution that periodically rescans the audio devices and updates the Pi Audio instance. Is that correct? That's still having us in the code rescan it. Yeah, see, I don't know. Maybe it doesn't understand what I'm trying to do. Let's go to no, you know what? Let's try Jippity. Because that would have been Sonnet. So let's go to Jippity. Come on to the old preview. All right, Jips. All right, Jippity. We're having a problem with Pi Audio for Python. Okay, so if you need to reference the Pi Audio documentation for Python, I believe it's 0.2.14. We have the audio working, both input and output devices. We do this just by looping through the devices that are available to the system. We try to find a preferred device. If not, we try to find a device that has appropriate settings for either input or output channels, and then we use that one. We can successfully select our preferred device when it's in the list, which obviously when we like restart the computer and restart the thing, it seems to always be in the list. And then normally when we use the app and then close it and then open the app again, the same list is provided and it works flawlessly. The same device is selected. After that, though, sometimes when we shut down the app, or sometimes if we have two of the apps running at the same time, even though they function properly, when we close them down, there's a chance that either the app continues to run or it somehow affects or crashes the device, because when we reopen the app, we don't get the same hardware list from Pi Audio. Sometimes the list is actually there, but it's missing the hardware tags, the things that are in the syntax. And if we choose an audio device that does not have those hardware tags, it doesn't seem to work. So I'm just hoping for some advice on what we can do, because I think at the system level, we need to reset either the hardware device list that Pi Audio interacts with, or maybe there's some code level Pi Audio reset command or force a hardware rescan or something like that. Just want to see if there's some solutions to this that you can help me with. All right, Jippity, do it. I'm thinking, identifying the issue, managing exceptions. Oh, 10 whole seconds. Let's see what we got. Sounds like you're experiencing issues. It sure does. Ensure proper cleanup of audio streams. Aha. See, am I streaming? I don't think I'm streaming, though. Is the word stream present? No. No. The incidents. Okay, I do call this. Okay, but what if I didn't do this? No, I do it. I swear, I promise. I promise I terminate it. I do terminate it, right? Alright. Yeah, see, of course I terminate it. When the app is about to quit, terminate. System works. Okay, so this is obviously what's happening. So sometimes when the app is about to quit, it isn't about to quit, or it quits too fast or something. We're also doing an about to quit up here, so that's probably not the right syntax. I don't want to terminate PyAudio every time that we open the connection, though. Because if we terminate it every single time, it's slower. I mean, I guess if we have to, we have to. All right, let's try. Okay, well then .terminate doesn't solve it once the problems happen. So anything about this that's a cleanup would be solving it from happening. So that's like part 2. So okay, so we'll mark this as a to-do. Write me a to-do to clean this up as it is not performant and it doesn't always fire before the app closes for some reason. Still didn't spell reason. For some reason. That is a very, very nice to do. Thank you, Jippity. Okay. I guess I should start calling it Cloud. I'm actually talking to Cloud, right? Jippity's just funner. All right. So, okay, so now that that's done, that's not actually going to solve the problem, though. We need something that's going to reset that when that's happened, but presumably that is what's happened. Yeah, so we're not streaming, though. Can we do that with the instances? We're definitely doing single instance enforcement. Oh, you mean of the app itself? No, I don't want to do that. It worked. It just didn't clean up the PyAudio. Here we go, here we go. I did do that, but I didn't see it. So maybe I didn't run the right command. Okay, so let's do that one first. Give me a good PS command. To check for the zombies. Can't have zombies. Goodness. Oh yeah, I'm on 01. I should have swapped this one out. I should have asked Cloud inside the interface. I guess it's doing it now. It's got to think longer about this one than giving me all of this information about PyAudio. It's pretty crazy. Oh, here we go. You know what? It's giving me a little more than I was expecting. Does that just always work? Is that just how you check for zombies? Is this Ooh, thank goodness. For a second there, I was concerned that there was going to be zombies. Wish I could tell Rolf. We definitely need to make this a thing. So I'll just make it an alias for now. Is it equals? Or is it space? No, it's equal to. No zombies. Oh no, you know, this isn't even no zombies. This is like check for zombies. Equals that. Of course. Oh no, you know it's not gonna work because I got double quotes now. Complete an epic fail. The amount of fail right now is intense. This is definitely not gonna work. Oh, I gotta check for zombies. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, well, whatever. I guess I'll just have to Google it. So that didn't work. Process state filtering. Yeah, give me some of that. That's what I want. Filter my state. Also, no zombies that are able to filter state. I mean, yeah, I could use Tom. Yes. I have to know what I'm looking for. I feel like I'm not going to find it in here. Doesn't seem to be jumping out to me anyway. Okay, we do have like Pipewire and Pulse on. Is that not supposed to be on? or, or does oh no, Pipewire can, oh, you know what though? Hold on a second. Pipewire. That might be a new plan. How did I get into the interface again? Yeah, not like that, huh? Okay. Chippity. I need a new window. Chippity. Alright, this time we'll rely on 4.0. And I want to know how to open Pipewire interface. It's probably some other package or something. Pipewire-GUI or something. Yeah, see. Pipewire, yeah, see. Pavu control. Right. Did you troll the Pavu? Come on, man. I definitely have it. Okay, this must not be it. Wire plumber or Pipewire media session. Ooh, you can move by via the CLI without the GUI. I think I like that one. Let's try that one. I don't have this one already, do I? Oh, I do have it. Wow. Okay, well, this is less than helpful. It feels more like noise than signal. And it doesn't even say if it's like active or anything. Well, some of these have some more. Okay, hold on. Well, here's this. Yeah, like it doesn't say it's active or in use. Okay, so the just listing the Pipewire info is not going to help me. Well, that's too bad. I thought that. So then, hold on. Let's go back here then. So it's not a zombie process. So now we got to go back up to the list of options and see what else we got. Yeah, we're doing this. No, it's fine. We don't need the instances to do it. Yes. See, this is what we wanted. This is what's gonna fix it. Alsa to the rescue. Alsa be back. Not my password. Definitely messed that one up. Alright.